Good day. As we start out at 5:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, today's date's 11/4/2011, and it's live, and it's here, and it's now, and this is how we start a morning going into an monthly unemployment number in pre-market. And as we go through the pre-market, we examine things that go on around the world naturally, things that go on within the U.S., earnings, trends, and all kinds of various different things. Headlines. Headlines are going to be running rampant. There was an upgrade, but MMTs were learning how to sell short in pre-market up here at 50.51, and that's called shorting pre-market news. And as it got up there, you can see where the highs were, 50.50. You can see where that close was, and that's that ratio to that high, close to that short ratio in price here. See how it goes down? When it goes down in value, you make money. See how it drops? So you're coming back closer to where the headline started, to the closing price of 48.18. Pre-market bid right now at 5:21 a.m. 8:21 a.m. Eastern Time, naturally. Markets will open. We will have the unemployment number. We're featuring First Solar today because we want people to understand how to short the high of the gaps. And we will go over a thing that selling short here, and as the value descends, because it's a headline, MMTs, we will be covering the price action. As they mark this price action, they could mark this price action way down here to 45.50 and then make a big market from there. Just remember, the short sellers have been on it because of its failing business model and the way that things have worked out around the world. That solar right now just obviously isn't the place where people want to be. However, there are a big short interest in the name in First Solar. So that's the pre-market feature for today, as how to short pre-market news and how to short them at the highs. Here is the First Solar chart, MMTs, and basically, as you can clearly see, it's a standard technical analysis. It's not what you base your decisions on, but however, the public does base decision on technical analysis. The thing that we would show you clearly is you're going to have the wall of resistance right there below that $60 handle, okay? And of course, you can see the last highs. You can see the last highs here where we've got this triple long-term bottom here on the daily chart, okay, at this price area. And any dip below it, there's such a thing as a drop-down bid, and then it turns around immediately and then shoots straight right up over time. But the fundamentals in the company must change. And I'm going to conclude the special right now on First Solar in pre-market on 11/4/2011, 5:27 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's here, it's now, and it's live, and it's also going to try to take out the 10 and 20 simple day moving averages in price and go up there and test that trend line now. So from that lower wholesale entry, now, we're going to see what that ratio is. See how that we talked about in the whole video about how to short and how the short works. And that's just the daily chart. You can see the price prints, for crying out loud. It's all the way down here at 49 now. So how do I short news on a name? And most importantly is that the fundamentals have to change. And buyers have to step in and get above these key daily simple moving averages. And we'll monitor the public, and we'll see how bad they want to own it. But most importantly, what has changed and where are they going to get their next round of revenues, and are their earnings going to be going higher or lower? If the earnings are going to turn around and things, people want to get back into solar, well, hey, fine, it goes higher. However, it's going to be that lower end of that price, and we're getting down here, so that daily support level is in play.